Hey there, welcome to Cardinal Home Center. What's your name?
My name is Daniel Robertson.
Daniel, what type of work do you do?
I'm a home improvement contractor specializing in decks and docks
Where do you do that?
all around Lake Anna.
Cardinal Home Center just recently came to the Lake Anna area. What do you think of this new location?
I've been really happy with it. It's pretty convenient, access to all the lumber I need on a regular basis.
What about hardware and other stuff that brings the project together?
Yeah, hardware selection's been pretty good, but I've been really happy with the quality of the lumber.
Tell us about that lumber. Do you get
The number one premium lumber that they sell here is the best I've found in the area.
So what types of projects are you working on right now?
Working on replacing a walkway down to the lake right now.
And you said you also do docks and things like that. Tell us a little bit about what that's like here in Lake Anna.
Well, pretty much every house on the water has either a boathouse or a dock or a walkway down to the water, and so most of them have been in place for 25 plus years, and most of them will need a lot of repairs. There's also a lot of new home construction, and so we're doing some work with that as well.
Great. So you would suggest coming out to Cardinal Home Center?
Absolutely.
Yeah, okay. Well, you enjoy your day and thanks so much.
Thanks so much. You too.